Hello friends, the teacher here. Today we are going to show you 20 ultra fast Windows 10 little tricks to help you be more productive in your routine works. So let's get started. If you are working in several apps and want to minimize all windows except the active one, then just grab the title bar of the window that you want to remain open and shake it back and forth. After a few shakes, all other windows will minimize, leaving only that window open which you are shaking. If you often see file or folder properties, then you no longer need to right click and choose properties from the context menu. Just hold down the Alt key and double click on a file or folder to open the Objects Properties menu. And if your hands are on keyboard, then you can also press Alt plus Enter key. If you don't already know, then let me tell you, you can also pin the recycle bin icon to the Start menu to access it more conveniently. When exploring through all apps section of the Start menu, click the Numbers or Alphabetically section to open a jump list, and then click the letter or number to jump to that section of the Start menu. In Windows 10, the most useful keyboard shortcuts are Windows key plus I for Settings menu, Windows key plus A for Action Center, Windows key plus E for File Explorer, Windows plus X to open Power Start menu, Alt plus F4 to close active app or window, and if you don't already know, Ctrl Shift plus N to create a new folder. A quick way to clean up your desktop when you want to remove all the clutter from your desktop and want to texture the desktop background. Right click on an empty space of your desktop, point to View, and then uncheck Show Desktop Icons option. When you need to concentrate on your work or when watching a movie and don't want Windows to disturb you through notification, then press the Windows plus A key to bring the Action Center window and then click on Quiet Hours. That's it. Later, press Windows plus A key again and turn off Quiet Hours option. If you often access a particular section within from the Settings app, then keep in mind that you can pin any specific section of the Settings app to the Start menu, just by right clicking and then click Pin to Start. You can also pin your favorite folders or website when using Edge browser to the Start menu. If you ever wish to open an additional instance of an application like Word, Excel, Chrome, Firefox, or any application which support multiple instances, then use the middle mouse button or the scroll wheel on the app button from the taskbar. When searching for a particular contents using Windows Search, you can click on My Stuff link if you want to get a richer search experience with filters, sorting capability, and better results. You can also use taskbar search for calculations and conversions, and you don't need to open the calculator or go online to perform a conversion. Such as you can type the math equation or conversion formula in the search bar and you get an instant result or conversion right into the search results. Hold down the Windows key and then press Print Screen to quickly capture the entire screen and then automatically save it to the screenshot folder under Pictures. Whenever you need to restore or maximize a window, just click and hold down the title bar and drag it to the edge of your screen or pull out to restore. As you might know that you can create multiple virtual desktops in Windows 10 by clicking Task View icon and then clicking New Desktop. As you can open different apps over different virtual desktops to save yourself from cluttered taskbar. But not only that, but you can move your running apps between the virtual desktops by right clicking on an app icon in Task View and then click Move To. From the Performance tab of the Task Manager, you can know the exact system uptime. In Windows 10 and 8.1, to reduce the boot load time, you can enable Fast Startup option through Control Panel Power Options. If the option is missing, then you can open the command prompt in admin mode and then type power cfg space -h space on. And there you have the fast startup and hibernate back in place. As a power user, if you have to use command prompt several times in a day to work inside different folders, then right click on an empty area within a folder while holding down the shift key, and there you have a new option, open command window here, which saves you on time when you need to open command prompt and move to that particular folder. Right click on an empty area of the desktop, point to new and then click shortcut. In the location box type slide to shutdown and click next. And type a name like slide to shutdown. Click finish and here you have a new interesting way of shutting down your PC. If you move several items using the send to command, then next time hold down the shift key while right clicking on an item and then point to send to. And there you have several more locations to use. And if you want to customize the send to menu by adding your favorite places into the send to menu, then type shell:send to in the address bar and hit the enter key. Right click, point to new and then click shortcut. In the location box, type your favorite folder path inside the quotations. Click next, name the new send to item and then click finish. Now the next time you can move or copy items to your favorite folder by just right clicking and pointing to send to. If you are the only user who uses the system and you don't want to see any login or lock screen during system startup and want directly to log into desktop, then open the run command, type Ctrl space user passwords 2 and hit the enter key. Select the user from the list to which you want to automatically log in into. Then uncheck the option user must enter a username and password to use this computer. Type the current password if there are any, and the next time upon boot up you will not be asked for any user credentials and no login or lock screen will be displayed. I hope you will find this video interesting and informative. You can move to our channel page to watch some more of the teacher's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do leave your valuable comments and keep sharing our videos with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and as usual, thanks for watching.